In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Ubisoft account to your Steam account. As you can see, this is the article that was created by Ubisoft in order to help us link our account in our Ubisoft. The first step that we have to do is to launch any Ubisoft game from the Steam client. So what does that mean? As you can see, this Steam client has a series of games that supports Ubisoft games. For example, when you type in Ubisoft here in the search bar, these are the games that was created by Ubisoft. So you just need to head into your game and then launch it. Once you launch it, the starting game pop-up will appear. Then you have to click the continue button there. This will open a new window in your internet browser where you have to log into your Ubisoft account first, since this game was created by Ubisoft. So if you do not already have an account, select create a Ubisoft account, and then once you created this Ubisoft account and once you have logged in or entered the game, click the link accounts. Now you have linked this to account, which is your Ubisoft and Steam account successfully. And that's how you can link your Ubisoft to your Steam account, and thank you for listening.